This is a Nero BackItUp index file. It tells Nero where your backup files are stored. It is useless on its own. You need the accompanying data files to restore anything. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the structure. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep NBI file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. The NBI file extension is associated with Nero BackItUp, a backup and recovery software. NBI files contain information about backup jobs created with Nero BackItUp. This information includes details such as the files and folders included in the backup schedule, and the destination where the backup is stored. NBI files are typically small in size and are used by Nero BackItUp to manage and restore backups. They are not the actual backup data themselves, but rather metadata that describes the backup process. The format of the NBI file is proprietary to Nero BackItUp. The core association for the NBI file points directly to Nero BackItUp developed by Nero AG. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows does not understand backup set structures, so proper extraction requires dedicated programs. Begin the search for the correct program. Right-click the NBI file and choose Open With. Use Nero BackItUp first if available. If it's absent, select another application. Keep testing until the NBI file opens successfully. When your NBI file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the NBI file is refusing to open. First, use Nero BackItUp. Open the file using Nero BackItUp, the required application for managing the backup. Next, recognize file type. Understand that the NBI file is an index metadata file and is not meant to be opened manually. Finally, use restore function. Launch the application and use its restore function to access the backed up data. Failures with installed programs usually stem from NBI being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the NBI label is unclear or shared. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the NBI problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. Like, subscribe, and fix those files. It's that simple. Enjoy the rest of your day.